What are we doing?
Putting my exhaust on.
Putting on her Remark axle back and F1 light. W. Car's on the ramps already. But yeah, another exhaust install. Should be pretty easy. Alright, look how clean this undercarriage is, guys. She got this car when I had like 7 miles, so it's pretty new. But for the axle back, it's literally just those two, I don't know what size those are, bolts, these two right here, and then the exhaust hangers, and that's pretty much it. And good thing I have an exhaust hanger remover. So real quick, here's the BRZ, guys. I actually maxed out the coilovers all the way. That's how she's sitting. Fitment. 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 Alright, so these are 14s. Damn. You see we got a 14.5. Already. Other side. Ooh, good cash. And we also got the hangers right there as well. It'll help if you guys get a hanger tool. Just get a hanger tool. Stop trying to, waste 10 minutes of your life trying to get these off with like pliers or something. So it'll make your life so much easier. Now make sure when this does come loose, you're gonna have to get another 14 or something on this side to hold that while you screw that loose. So just heads up. Oh, that nut. Where'd it go? Exhaust hanger remover. You got it?
Yep, I have it. It's
All
not very heavy.
Drop it. Oh, is there one more?
There is.
One down. This one right here now. Ooh, you good?
Yeah.
So there's one hanger there. And one more up there somewhere. So kind of goofed earlier. Forgot to take that one off, but somewhere there. Of course, manhandle the hole.
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Okay. And then this one. Oh, fuck. Gasket. Slip through. Here. Right. This. Gasket. Boom. Put that on. Axle backs are on. Axle back is on. I'm gonna have her start up, check for exhaust leaks.
Can I hit the gas a little bit?
Yeah. A little bit. That sounds so good. Alright. Exhaust is on, no exhaust leaks. Sounds good. Now it's time to put the F1 F1 light on. Take 1, 2, 3, 4 off. Pop this off right here. And we'll just get to it then. Alright, so I put the bracket on. You gotta put the little clip that it came with here on this little hole. And then you put the bracket in, screw the bracket to that little threaded part, and then you clip it on with the little clip they give on this side. Nice, now we put it in. Put this under. I should probably do this with 2 hands. All right, so I got the rest of the 10 mils on and the clip on the side right there. So this is secured. Now we just gotta, I guess, route the harness that it came with to the taillight. So let's do that. All right, so now we took this part off. It's just a screw, pry it off. And I think these are 10 mils right here. They are. So take this off, take the headlight off, plug the harness in, and then we'll go from there. Human tripod. Bro, I hate them so much. All right, so the F1 light comes with a harness, so you plug that in. This goes into your tail light, and then this goes into this other extend section. This other harness here, which goes all the way onto your F1 light. So it's pretty simple. That does sound great. That sounds crazy from the outside. Holy crap. All right, drive. Wait, step on the brakes real quick. So here we go. We got the taillight on. It's blinking. The F1 light. W installs today. Thing's sick. Okay. Now it just needs some more low, some wheels. We're good. That thing's nuts. That thing's nuts, dude. These are starting to grow on me, guys. Like initially, like the plastic really bothered me, but for the darker colors, it looks good. So, rev it some more. Do it again. What are you doing? Look at Navi. No, sit the phone. Sit the phone.